How to fix Instagram Reels stock on loading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels stock on loading. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So first, make sure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, because a slow or unstable connection can often cause reels to get stuck. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the Instagram app. So here what you can do is just close the Instagram app completely, and after that you can simply reopen the app and check if the reels load properly. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the app cache. So here what you can do is simply long press on the Instagram app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the Instagram app settings, what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, this will remove the temporary files that may be causing the problem. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Instagram. So here what you can do is simply open the Google Play Store, and now here you can simply search for Instagram, and there if you find any update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart your phone. So sometimes simply restarting your device can fix loading issue. So simply restart your device, and once you are done restarting it, you can simply open the app again and check if the reels are working properly or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the Instagram. So here, if reels is still not loading, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it again, and this will fix most bugs and glitches. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.